Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare whey protein versus super mass gainer. Understanding their core differences is crucial for achieving your fitness goals. Whey protein is ideal for lean muscle development and recovery, offering a concentrated dose of protein with minimal extra calories. Super mass gainers, however, are formulated to deliver a substantial caloric surplus, perfect for individuals aiming for rapid weight and muscle gain. We'll explore each in detail to help you decide which is better for your specific needs. Whey protein is renowned for its rapid absorption, making it an excellent choice right after a workout to kickstart muscle repair and growth. It's a complete protein, meaning it provides all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. With a typical serving delivering around 20 to 25 grams of protein and minimal carbohydrates or fats, it's perfect for those focused on lean muscle development and managing their caloric intake. It helps you recover efficiently without adding unnecessary bulk. Super mass gainers are specifically designed for individuals struggling to consume enough calories through whole foods to gain weight and muscle. These supplements pack a powerful punch, often delivering 500 to 1,200 calories per serving, along with substantial amounts of protein, carbohydrates, and fats. They are an efficient way to create the caloric surplus needed for significant muscle and weight gain, especially for those with very high metabolic rates or intense training schedules. The choice between whey protein and a super mass gainer ultimately depends on your individual fitness objectives. If your primary goal is lean muscle development, efficient recovery, and maintaining a controlled calorie intake, whey protein is likely your best bet. However, if you're aiming for rapid weight gain, significant muscle mass increase, and need a substantial caloric boost, a super mass gainer will serve you better. Remember to check the description for a link to excellent leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals to support your fitness journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.